Welcome to today's brand new episode of our show Upsode. Today we are learning Here is a detailed explanation of how we can effectively use the moving average in our strategies. Today we will keep on learning it and strive to improve ourselves every single day. This part of the program greatly helps you learn something new every day. Now let us take the time to carefully look at it together. So how can we effectively use moving average in our analysis, and how can it enhance our understanding of market trends? Provide us with necessary support, and let's first begin together. Open the H4 chart here. Here we plot the moving average. We plot it.
Period moving average.
And we will keep it as an extension, and here we plan to implement the changes accordingly. Please ensure this section is placed above the highlighted area for visibility.
Furthermore, I would like you to make the object green, following the provided guidelines exactly. Is there any issue with just...
You will first talk in detail about the single moving average method used. With that information, how do we go about creating support and resistance levels effectively? Because this moving average does a substantial amount of hard work for us in our analysis. It provides support and resistance by extracting previous days, and they are indeed strong levels, but we don't know how to effectively use these levels, so we remain uncertain. We will now learn how to use it here, how we can utilize it, and how we can perform our scalping within 1 minute and 5 minutes, so as you can clearly see that in many different areas and contexts, the moving average has turned out to serve effectively in situations where analyzing trends and patterns is essential for accurate forecasting. There, we have set a horizontal line on its upswing for the moving average. We have drawn horizontal lines above and below moving average. Wherever it has acted as support and resistance, we will keep placing these. These are the major areas where it has bounced in providing support. We will stay there to serve as support. Now we will shift our focus from here into the H1 tag. So now inside the H1 tag I have to see if there is any such area that meets our specific needs. Please proceed to install the original line in any location where you can still lay it successfully. For example, if Peter weren't here now, we would have been left behind. You didn't install it on that. We will all someday look back on that day.
Here, I have found one now.
Navalio. And one person will put me into various kinds of troubles and challenges in the future. Now we will directly shift from this location within 5 minutes. Now you can clearly see that the liner you have carefully installed is now perfectly in place. Whenever the market comes here, we warmly welcome customers. You give them double confirmation to make certain information correct. Exactly at this current moment, right here in front of you and in your immediate presence as we speak right now. As you can see, this moving average trend has been below the expected level. We'll sell from here. We will proceed to sell once this specific line, which serves as our resistance level, is reached. At this moment there is a strong level here, and the moving average is clearly positioned on the upside. From this point onward, the market behaves exactly in this manner. We will retest in the same manner he did here as well, and if he generates an engulfing candle at this spot, then we will position ourselves as sellers from this point forward. We will sell our products from here, but we will not offer any sales from this location. Then on occasions when it operates in that specific way, we need to take appropriate measures. Here. This particular area has now come, so please focus your attention here on the line you have. How is the support and resistance line you plotted working? Now the same things have appeared here again today. From this point forward, you will refrain from selling above the asset's retest level and its single moving average indicator. You will not sell above the retest. You will sell when you have this line along with it. We have developed and implemented a comprehensive double confirmation system in order to ensure that we can promptly and completely clear these issues starting right now. Here once again we will carefully take a moving average of the exact same period as before. This allows us to set the moving average and take action. And we will make it exponential. And at this exact step in our current process, we will set the color to ensure the user interface aligns with our design principles. And we will set the color of the object here to be red in this scenario. And we are performing this action at the present moment, and here we clearly observe that they are providing us with the crossover. Now whenever the market comes here, it will surely approach this area soon. Also, since you have the double confirmation now, this double confirmation, these lines will now provide you with the moving average. We will provide comprehensive guidelines in every location, including the immediate area, starting right here now. The specific area has now been attained, and previously it served as your support level. In this case, it effectively acted as resistance here. Now the moving average is also above, and this line of yours is also above, so from here you can sell for scalping. Now from this position, if you decide to withdraw support and resistance levels, if you only acted above the moving averages, you would break out from here and take a buy from here. However, the mark has decreased now, so what steps will you take from here? You plan to withdraw it after Marquino has tested your resistance and confirmed the reduction. So you will clearly see between these two moving averages that wherever there is any angle, it is persistently hanging in the chart. When you find a handle, you have the possibility to sell it above its base price from here onward. Similarly onwards, and in every place, this support and resistance remains for you. The ones that you created will continue to work perfectly for you without any interruptions or issues, and will tell you where you need to buy, where to sell, and which seasons you have to ignore right now. I have shaped it within a minute. Let's look from here. Here we have shown various offers, and it looks like we could do scraping on its way where SMEs have the necessary resources to support it. I have broken off the levels there, and from that position you can continue your progress onward. You can take good mug. Now all things are in front of you. It is clearly visible to you how this method can effectively work in order to benefit you. You will buy from where, sell where, and to what extent you will wait for marketing. Right now marketing is running within the current internet situation. So now within M1 all processes are running smoothly. You also will not get an entry into the competition. But here is a single confirmation which is only a moving average. You will wait right here patiently and quietly until I have returned with instructions. Continue monitoring the market until the resistance or support level that you have set is reached. Until they take action at those specific levels, you will continue to sell, refrain from buying or selling, and simply observe. From here up, down, up, down, up, down, this. While people are actively hunting stop losses, our strategy will involve closely monitoring the specific points at which our resistance levels are set, thus ensuring we make informed decisions to see when the market comes there and we buy and sell from here. I hope that you all have understood all of this information by this point in time, and you will use it on this. Next, we will understand all the levels of the moving average that we can have the opportunity to provide profit here. They are available within next video along with the moving averages next part.